Within a few years of Nebuchadnezzar's death, a massive army approaches Babylon, led by Cyrus, king of Persia.
Let them know we've arrived.
The Babylonians know they don't stand a chance. They let Cyrus in without a fight.
Cyrus will set us free, if the prophecy's right.
To protect his fellow Jews, Daniel befriends Cyrus and continues to interpret dreams.
What does your dream mean, Daniel?
It's not my dream, sire.
There's a prophet here in Babylon, Isaiah. He says, "Here's a king whose right hand I take hold of to subdue nations before him. He is Cyrus. He names you sire. It means God is with you."
I think you flatter me. But no one has ever died of flattery.
Your Majesty has done many great things, as the record will show. As it should. I am Cyrus, king of the world. Yet he hangs on Daniel's every word, like he has lost the power to think for himself. Daniel must be removed. One month without prayer. Surely only a traitor would object.
I cannot go back on my word. I promised them freedom to worship.
It is merely a test of their loyalty. They have had so many rulers. We wanted to make sure they saw you as the final, ultimate king of the world.
One month without prayer.
It probably sounds reasonable to Cyrus, but they know we can't comply.
They don't care about the king. They just want as much power over him as they can get. Which means they need you out of their way.
It's a trap for all of us. They want us dead.
A whole month. What will you do?
I don't know. But I do know I can't live long without praying to God.
The joy of your salvation.
And grant me a willing spirit to sustain me.
For disobeying Cyrus, Daniel is arrested and sentenced to death.
Save me, O God, by your name. Have mercy on me, according to your unfailing love.
The next morning, Cyrus realizes he's made a terrible mistake.
Sire, are you unwell?
I haven't slept. Please God, I'm not too late.
Sire, shall I call the physician?
I've wronged my friend! Open it. God is with you. Your God is real. Your God has saved you.
Yes.
I am Cyrus, king of the world, and my judgment is this. Your people shall return to Jerusalem.
There God will be pleased. Though, sadly, they no longer have a temple to worship him in.
Throw him into the lions.